Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
We'll be making spinach lasagna today. So originally lasagna has three parts. First we have our sauce, we have our pasta and we have a filling. Let's start with our sauce. We're essentially going to make a roux. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of butter. Add it to your pan and let it melt. Now that the butter has melted, let's add 2 tablespoons of flour. We'll just cook the flour till the raw taste goes out. After cooking the flour for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add 2 cups of milk little by little and switch over to a whisk. So I'm just adding about half a cup of milk and mixing it. This is to avoid any kind of lumps in our sauce. So this is a very basic sauce that you need to know how to make. You can use this for pastas and other baked dishes as well. This is called bechamel sauce. Now we're going to season this with a little bit of salt, little bit of freshly cracked pepper, and now I'm just turning off the gas and adding 1 bay leaf. This is just going to give you a mild taste of the bay leaf. Mix it once and leave this aside. We're going to start with the pasta now. So I'm using dry lasagna sheets. These are easily available in the market. They are completely dry. So if you use this as it is in your lasagna, it's going to be really hard and it won't cook through. So we're just going to soften them in a pan full of water. I've been heating this up, to which I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now that the water is boiling, we're going to add 1 sheet at a time and boil it for a couple of minutes. Remove the sheets once they go a little flexible. Take them out on a plate and apply a bit of oil so that they don't stick to the plate. Now let's add the others. That was our last sheet. We're going to make the filling right now. Heat up your pan and add a bit of oil to it. It's about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add some chopped garlic. We'll saute the garlic for a couple of minutes. Now that the garlic has left its aroma, we're going to add 2 chopped onions and a tiny pinch of salt just to help it along. Now that the onions have softened, let's add some diced carrots. Our veggies are going to cook in the casserole in our oven as well. So let's add the spinach now. This is about 1.5 bunch of spinach. We will let the spinach wilt completely. The spinach has wilted completely and our filling looks really lovely. Let's move on to the assembly now. I'm using a Borosil pan here, which is totally oven safe and fits in my oven perfectly. I'm going to oil it generously. Spoon in 2 ladlefuls of your bechamel sauce. Layer it with 2 sheets of lasagna. Let them overlap a bit. Next, add in your filling generously. Add some more bechamel sauce and top it up with lots of cheese. We're going to repeat the process again. A generous helping of your filling, some more cheese, another layer of the lasagna, the last bit of your filling, and then the last layer of your pasta. I'm going to press it firmly, top with more bechamel sauce. You don't have to use all of it, and the remainder of the cheese. I've placed it on an oven tray and I'm going to cover it with silver foil right now. This will make sure that the moisture stays inside your pan. We're going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. So the lasagna has been cooking in the oven for 30 minutes. Now we're going to take off the aluminium foil. We're going to bake this again for 10 more minutes till we have some browning on the top. It's been 10 minutes and our lasagna has a nice golden brown color on top. It's ready to serve, but I would suggest wait for 10 minutes. You'll definitely enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. When you try it, do let me know in the comment section below about your experience. Like this video and share it with everyone you know. Subscribe to Rajshri Food for more such videos. See you next time.